In this video, I finally get to try out the Ford. Spoiler alert, it works perfect. The previous video I did on building the forge, I actually shot that video a couple of weeks ago, and then I've been meaning to try this forge out. Really been wanting to, and the weather has been horrible though. Between the extreme cold, the snow we've had, the ice we've had, the wind. I mean, it's windy today, and I was out there trying it, but it wasn't too bad. And for the first time ever building something like a forge, I have to say I'm extremely happy with how it worked. I really like how it worked. This is just a piece of rebar, and I was out there beating on the concrete on this, and hopefully I have tracked down a couple of very nice 100-pound anvils that I'm hoping to get. At least that's what I'm told they are, is 100-pounders. I just need to go and sometime or another make the trip to go pick them up. It's about close to a 300-mile round trip to go get the two of them. So hopefully I will get an anvil soon and get fixed up. But as for a test run, yeah, I'm happy. I'm absolutely ecstatic with how it worked. Super simple. So if this is something you wanted to build, a forge like that, shoot, go for it. It works great. The wood I was burning in it is oak, and I figured a good hardwood like that, I'd get the best heat out of it, and it lasted very well. The amount of oak that I saw earlier pretty much burnt probably 3/4 of it up, and so kind of gives me an idea of how long I can work on with a certain amount of wood. And I mean, I'm happy to try this. The wood just instantly charred in the charcoal and burnt perfect. So I can't say how happy I am with this. I've always wanted to be able to set up and forge something. So great. So hopefully you got something out of the previous video of me building the forge, and then this video of trying it out. And if you go out there and you try to make one yourself, let me know about it. I want to know if you do, or if you have a forge or any kind of input at all. Throw it down in the comments below, and I will gladly love to hear it. So I guess until next time, get out there and just go make it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.